Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. This video is regarding VIDEVECKMAL, which is a 3-piece dish sponge set with a dispenser to help cleaning the utensil in the kitchen. In this you get a plastic dispenser sleek where you can fill or add the dishwasher gel. Then you get 2 sponges along with this product. The sponges are like of good quality and it's very soft. If you are not using the sponge, you can remove it and keep it aside. It's very easy to attach the sponge again to the main dispenser leak. There is a rubber button. If you see here, if you place it slightly, this gel get into the sponge. The MRP was $349 for this product, but there was some offer in it, so we got it on $249 INR. It's a very useful product because it will change the cleaning experience in your kitchen. The sponges are very good quality. It is available in 2 colors, light green and yellow. I got this product and I am using it for quite some time now, and I am happy with this product. So you can give a try to this product. It will help you when you don't want to get your hands dirty on the dishes. Like, comment and subscribe the video. Thanks. Bye.